Hello, how do I say here? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Airbnb app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go up to the search bar, Play Store, search bar, Airbnb, check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, everything should be fine with the app, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you tomorrow ways how to fix it. So go out to the settings, go out to the apps, go out to the default apps, no default, see all, Finder and Airbnb. Here, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow them all like here. Allow like this, every single one, just allow. After this, go up here, Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage. After this should be everything fine, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go to the Play Store and just reinstall the app like this. After this, shouldn't be more any issues with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.